So, I don't wanna go downtown, doing what we used to. Just to top off another amp, hell I got enough loose screws. Getting tired of hurting about you, nothing ever changes. Thinking I might stay right here tonight, I could be dangerous. I could be dangerous. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play Dangerous by Morgan Wallen from his new album. Okay, so before I get into that, please hit like and subscribe. Like shows the video to more people, and if you hit subscribe, then you will see new guitar tutorials that I come out with in the future. Okay, so also if you have any other song requests you want to learn, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to get to them. If you have any questions too, just let me know. So standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret. Okay, you're only gonna use 3 chords for this song. You're gonna use E. Okay, so E like this. Okay, E is you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. You put your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and you put your pointer finger. Okay, it's gonna be right behind it. See that? Okay, so you're gonna put ring finger on 2nd fret on A, middle finger on 2nd fret on A, ring finger on 2nd fret on D, and then your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on G. Okay, then you're also going to do F sharp minor. F sharp minor is going to be, you're going to bar starting on the A string on the 2nd fret all the way across. Okay, if you can't bar it, just don't bar it. It's not a big deal, all right? It won't sound quite as good, but it'll still be all right. So you bar 2nd fret starting on the A string all the way across, and then you're going to play it like, the rest is going to be kind of like a power chord. You're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, and your pinky finger goes on the right next to it on the 4th fret on the G string. Okay, all right, that's F sharp minor. And then A, another pretty simple one, but what you do is you're just going to put middle finger on the these are all on 2nd frets, middle finger on 2nd fret on the D string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pinky goes on the 2nd fret on the B string. Okay, just like that. Those are only 3 chords you need enough for the song. Now I'm going to show you the 2 different strumming patterns that go, well, there's actually 3 that you can use for the song, but I'll show you these different strumming patterns that you're going to use for it, okay? So when you start with the song, I would actually start with just single strums. Dun, 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 dun. So you're just going to do that twice. You're going to do E, F sharp minor, A, E. Okay, so then you'll start that over and do it a 2nd time. E, F sharp minor, A, E. Okay. Now you can do that. You can also palm mute it if you want to. If you don't know what palm muting is, it's putting this part of your hand as close as you can to right here. Okay, not on that, but right next to it. And then you're going to pluck the bass notes. Okay. Okay, so you can do that. But I think where you're starting the song, it will sound better if you do the single strums, okay? Now, what I would probably do actually is do the single strums for the 1st verse, maybe the 2nd, but for the intro, I would actually you can either just do down, up, 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 down. You could just do the straight down, up, but I think the way it sounds best, and this is a little bit harder, but the way it sounds best is down, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, now I'm going to do that real slow for you so you can understand, because I know it's kind of hard to get the strumming pattern sometimes. Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, just like that. So that's how I would do it at the intro. And that's actually how I think you should play the chorus too, is that down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? But if it's hard, just wait with me and I'll walk you through it, okay? So now for the verses, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with E, and you're gonna do, I could see me sitting, okay? So you're gonna do E before, I could see me sitting is gonna be F sharp minor. Sitting in the back of a cop, okay, cop car is going to be A. Cop car banging my Yeah, banging my head. Okay, head is gonna be E. Head on a window, I could see. So then you start over again and do E. I could see me slamming. Okay, so slamming is F sharp minor. Slamming that last call shot. Okay, shot glass, so shot is A. Shot glass, losing everything in my billfold. So losing everything is gonna be E. Everything in my billfold, ooh. Okay, then you start over again and do it. Ooh is E, ooh. And then the second half of that ooh is F sharp minor. Ooh, that's what I think, okay? So that's what I do. That's what I do when I'm drinking. Okay, so that's A. That's what I do when I'm drinking about. When I'm drinking about you. So when I'm drinking is A. When I'm drinking about you. And then you're gonna start over. And then do E. You on that U. You. Okay, so the second part of the ooh, you're gonna do F sharp minor, A, E. Okay. You. So, okay, then I would mute it, all right? Because that's what they do. In the song, he breaks. They like break and mute it for a second, and then you're gonna do. So you could just do again. You can do the alternate strums. It'll actually work totally fine here. You can just do. I don't wanna go downtown, doing what we used to. Let's see. Twist the top up another round. Hell, I got enough blues screws. Getting tired of hurting about you. Nothing ever changes. Thinking I'ma stay right here tonight, 'cause I can be dangerous. I can be dangerous. So you could just do that, all right? You could just do that straight down, up, down, up. But I think it sounds better if you do the other one. That's the. So I don't wanna go downtown, do what we used to. Just the top up another round. Hell, I got enough loose screws. Getting tired of hurting about you. Never changes. So if you do that, I think it sounds better. And then when you end the whole song, you can do just like that, down, up. All right. But for the chorus, if you want to just know that strumming pattern one more time, it's down, up, 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 down, up. E, F sharp minor, A, E, F sharp minor. A, E. Okay? There's one more part, all right, that I'm gonna need to walk you through after the chorus. So you're gonna do so, then you start doing E on I. I don't wanna go downtown. Okay. Go is gonna be F sharp minor. Go downtown. And then after downtown, you're gonna do A, like right after downtown. Downtown. You know what we used to. So then you do doing is gonna be E. Then you start over again and you do an E on twist. Twist the top off another. Okay, the top off is going to be F sharp minor. Top off another round. Okay, then after round you do A, round. Okay, then you're going to do, well, I got enough. I got enough is where you're going to do E. Got enough loose screws. Then you start over again on E. I'm getting tired of hurting. Okay. Getting tired of hurting about you. So of hurting is where you're gonna do F sharp minor. Hurting about you. About ya is gonna be A. About you. Nothing ever changes. So then you do E again on nothing. Nothing ever changes. And then you do again the same thing. E. Think I might stay. So I think is gonna be E. Think I might stay. Might stay is gonna be F sharp minor. Stay right here tonight. Okay, tonight, after tonight you do A. Tonight, cause I could be, all right, you're gonna do E. Cause I could be dangerous. And then you're just gonna play it through again. All right, so then after that last E, then you're gonna go into the second verse. Now again, you can just do single strums here. All right. Or you could palm mute it. So for that you're just doing down, 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 down. So you could do that. You can actually use any of those same strumming patterns as before, okay? It's gonna be a little bit different if you're playing it acoustically anyway, as opposed to what you hear on the album, but you could totally play any of those ways, okay? So you could do, I can see me, let's see, it's the Daisy Duke Dime part. Okay, so I can see me doing just fine with a Daisy Duke Dime, but I don't see it lasting long. I can see me ordering too many drinks for the bar. All right, so you can just do that, or you can do any of them, or you can do. But I think it's better if you do either the single strums or the palm mute for the verses, because then it gives the song more of like variance, and that's what they do in the album. So same thing for the bridge. You're actually just gonna do, yeah, 'cause you. So you're just gonna do that same strumming pattern. Sorry, the same chord progression. Yeah, 'cause you got me. Okay, got somebody. So you're gonna do that same. Yeah, 'cause you is where you're gonna palm mute it, but you should palm mute this part, okay? Yeah, 'cause you got somebody else that you've been fooling, those same tricks up your sleeve, yeah. Okay, so you can just do that. But you wanna play that part softer for sure, all right? That's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, or other song requests. It's been a lot of fun, and see me next time.